Just here with Sarge. He's part of a walking group. They've done a self-guided Yuraygir coastal walk here. So we're in Station Creek. This is the last morning, isn't it?
The last morning, We've been on the move for 4 days. We've been working with Bob and Magnum from the team from Barra Camp & Co. It's been an absolutely incredible experience. The natural world here, we've had pristine coastline, we've had whales breaching, sea eagles, we've had stars in the night sky. We've have had a bit of rain here and there, but working with Bob and the team's been amazing to cater for us at every turn, and just the physical application that we've done every day, and then to be greeted with, a lovely, nourishing, warm, nutritious meal, a big smile, and lots of really cool local insights and information.
Yeah, nice.
Has helped us out tremendously. So I'd like to thank Bob and the team on behalf of our group, and this is something we'll treasure forever.